What is up, people at BitChute and at YouTube? Welcome to the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. We are looking at wave height. Yes. High seas occurring in the Southern Ocean. Some 31-foot waves down there. One of the many features of nullschool.net, if you're looking at weather patterns and other factors on a global scale, check it out, nullschool.net's Earth Wind Map. It's spectacular. Those are the waves of the Southern Ocean. It's the most dangerous place in the world to be on a ship or boat. So, let's take a look at what we normally look at here. The wind patterns of planet Earth from three perspectives. So we're going to switch to the surface winds here. These are the surface winds of the eastern world. We'll also show the jet streams. And here are the 250 hectopascal winds, a specific band of pressure, allowing us to view the jet stream in spectacular detail. Huge kink in the jet stream happening here over Western Australia. Here are the jet streams of the Americas. And the jet stream in North America largely staying north of the U.S. We've got some extreme north to south jet stream flow happening here down the east coast of the U.S., pulling cold air once again into Pennsylvania. It's pretty interesting. Getting some cold mornings here in Pennsylvania for sure. And let's take a look at the surface winds. Here are the surface winds. And this strong low moved out to sea a little bit since yesterday, it looks like. The winds are not that high there anyway. Here are the surface winds of Europe and Africa, as well as the Middle East. Once again, shout out to our viewers from all around the world. Here are the jet streams from this side of the planet, and let's blast through some more data. We're coming at you a little bit late today, so let's get through it. The jet stream blowing backwards here over the equatorial regions of the Indian Ocean, Central Africa. You can see right here a little bit of jet stream signal showing up there, blowing east to west, the reverse direction of the normal flow. Continuing on to our weather.gov map, we've got some heat warnings. If your county is lit, click your county. That's weather.gov. Some gale warnings around the coast of Long Island, as well as along New Jersey. Maybe some good surf kicking up. Let us know if you've got a wetsuit and you like to surf New Jersey. Next, our NASA GOES lightning mapper, and some heavy lightning there moving into Indiana, moving into Kentucky. Illinois saw some serious lightning storms, and let's see where the active cells are at the moment. Now, this is a recorded video, not a live stream, but this is a real-time lightning map from when we recorded the video from lightningmaps.org. And we've got some significant lightning here around places like southern Illinois, Paducah, you may be in the crosshairs. Anyway, that's where the active cells are currently located. We'll zoom out to the global view. And Europe getting some lightning as well. Some strikes happening there in northern Canada as well. All right, so let's continue on to some forecasts. This is your GFS surface temperature forecast in degrees Celsius for the next 72 hours. Again, it's a 72-hour GFS temperature anomaly forecast in Celsius degrees. It looks like most of the country here is going to be experiencing a little lower than average temperatures, with some higher than average temperatures in the northwest. Some much higher than average temperatures, up to 16, maybe 20 plus degrees Celsius above normal, and some very cold temperatures in other portions. Here's another 72-hour GFS forecast. This is your total precipitation forecast for the next 72 hours. Once again, that's based on the GFS model. About half the country there expecting to see some rain over the coming 3 days. Last but not least, we'll show the pressure and precipitation forecast based on the same model. That's once again the GFS forecast. And that's how we expect things to play out. Continuing on to our windy.com map. And I just wanted to take a quick look at Greenland here, as people are probably frightened that Greenland is going to melt and that sea levels are going to rise 60 meters before Monday. However, as we've shown summer after summer, there are more than 5 meters of snow on most of the Denmark possession, the largely autonomous area of Greenland. Oh my God, there's only 190 inches up there. And if you look in more closely, you can see there's even sea ice clearly there as there's snow on top of it. Huge amounts of snow. And I'll just leave that there. Greenland has, it's official, folks, Greenland has not melted. Next to your U.S. Doppler radar map, there's all 50 states. We're going to focus on the lower 48. So some rain here moving across the country here, stretching all the way from Tucson to Detroit. Here's your shortwave radiation map showing clouds and fog. It's still too dark over most of the country to use the visible satellite, so there's your 3.9 nanometer infrared radiation map. Part of the NASA GOES Interactive Weather Satellite Suite, and here's the best part, the water vapor. So we've got a weak low right here. You can see this counterclockwise rotation. It's a bunch of dry, massive air there rotating counterclockwise, so it's not a very strong low. A strong low forming down here, perhaps. We can see some serious convection happening. And you can see this moisture. It's being sandwiched in between high pressure once again. High pressure there, high pressure there. And you've got a huge pressure gradient in that area. That's what's driving those storms. Static electricity, lightning, etc. So there you go. There's your U.S. Doppler radar map showing vertical motion of water droplets in the air column. That's what a Doppler radar system does. Those are ground-based systems. And we'll close out with space-based systems. The 3.9 nanometer satellite. And here's the water vapor satellite. That should help you to understand the way these systems will move if your Doppler is not being clear. Thanks again for tuning in to our meteorology segment. If you're able to forecast your own weather, congratulations. It seems like most people aren't. And here at the Smash News Network, we're glad if you are.